friends, welcome. Hope y'all are having a blessed and prosperous today's video. This is Tablescape Tuesday. So welcome on today. I decided to do a tablescape for one on my coffee table using the same DIY flower vase, that color lime I used on Saturday's video, the end of I like summer. To do things different, and guys, I hope you enjoy so much. If you're new today, my channel is a lifestyle channel. My name is Penny, and I do all kind of great things on this collaboration channel. Is a Tuesday's Tablescape, and the ladies, they do it weekly. And if you want to join, you can jump in. Our hosts are Anna from the Grace Life DIY channel, and Miss Courtney for Amethyst Adventures. Thank you, ladies, for putting this together. And friends, there will be a playlist, and I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for stopping in. Friends, this is my setup for Tablescape Tuesday on my coffee table. Just a one-place setting. And here I am using my set of dishes I've had for the longest. And I think I got these from Walmart. I had them so long. And they are the red and black colors. And it represent that fall colors. And guys, I loved that green so much on Saturday for my last Tablescape. So I said, I got to use this again. So you know we have to constantly use what we have. And also, what I did in this, I add this time some green table napkins. And those are lime green. I'm telling you, this lime green is popping. So I may have to find some more lime green flowers. Now in this, it's just simple. Maybe the next time I might prepare a little meal for my Tablescape. But I just wanted to do something different today because, you know, we have this weekly for the Tuesday's Tablescape. This is my setup. I have the bowl. I have the salad plate, or you could even use this for the saucer because it's a cup, comes with this set, and my large plate. So the only thing I did to add in with this, I went to Hobby Lobby and wanted to get these chargers for the longest, and I decided to go ahead and got those chargers. They were $2.99. I got a set of 5 cloth napkins, the lime green, and friends, they were only like maybe $6 or $7. And as you see, I just put some green apples in my gold bowl underneath this. And mainly everything else, I have the glasses. And I did that DIY, and those beautiful lime green flowers, they came from the Dollar Tree. So I'm telling you, some of these Dollar Trees have beautiful, beautiful flowers. So I hope y'all enjoyed this on today. Short and sweet, simple, but I just wanted to do something a little bit out of the box today, out of my norm. And y'all tell me what you think about this. I hope you enjoyed it. Friends, I thank you so much for watching. All my faithful followers, God bless you. And if you're new today, please do subscribe, like, and leave a comment. And know today that I have left you some more videos. I got so much fun things on this channel. Please watch another video. Love y'all from Penny. Y'all be blessed. And bye-bye.